This is God's final message for you today. He doesn't want you to give up. Someone prays tirelessly for your life, and she has unwavering faith in you. God has compassion for you and will provide for your family's needs. You're going through a tough period. The heavy burden seems suffocating. Life may feel aimless because the devil tries to destroy your story. But God tells you He sees your tears, your prayers, and He's willing to help. You're not alone. Someone you don't know deeply cares about your life. She pleads with God not to give up on you and prays for your strength. This person loves you deeply. Maybe she's never told you. God sent me to say she genuinely cares. Before I reveal her name, if you believe this revelation, write "I believe" in the comments. Like this video, save it for reference, and share your testimony. She's the first and third figure by the WhatsApp share button. Have faith and persevere. God will be with you. A grateful heart and hope will guide your life.